This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to my lockpicking homeschool series. The video I have for you today is asking you, where are you in your lockpicking journey? Are you just starting out? Have you been following along the lockpicking homeschool series the whole time? Or are you a seasoned picker that has been able to pick through many difficult locks? I would just like to see what locks you've been able to open and what you've been struggling with, and see if you have any questions. My ultimate goal through my teachings is that you'll be able to teach others, and hopefully we can get this sport to grow forward as a lock sport enthusiast group. What I am doing today is hopefully getting some feedback from you on seeing if there's any particular topics you'd like to see covered before I move on to security pens. At this point, we should be able to recognize all the parts of a pin and tumbler lock and be able to pick open locks with standard pens pretty easily by single pin picking, raking, rocking, zipping, bumping, and any of the other various exploits that I have been able to show you. And what I'm currently working on now is going through all the videos of my lockpicking homeschool series and trying to piece them together so I can make one video that can give you a little bit more comprehensive overview of lockpicking. So I just ask you, do you have any suggestions on videos you think I should cover before I move on to security pens? Or if not, I will be able to start working on those videos in the following weeks. I want to thank everyone supporting this channel. Thank you so much for checking out these videos, and I'm glad that I've gotten some feedback from various people that they have been helpful. My goal is to teach and be able to be a resource to those starting out and anyone that has any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.